Hello, I'm Cornering Maker, and this is a YouTube exclusive mail time video. I got a bunch of stuff in the mail today, and before I start opening stuff up, I want to say I'm sorry. I've mostly just been reposting TikTok videos on YouTube. It's working really well with the shorts to get more subscribers to the channel. So if you are a long-time subscriber or a fan and you're just getting bombarded with these TikTok videos, I do apologize, but it's helping me grow the channel. It's helping more people see what I do, and it's working. So that's kind of what I've been doing. But I want to make this video exclusively for YouTube because I haven't posted on here in a while, and that's where I started. So the first thing I'm going to open is this smaller package, and it's taped up. So I'm going to get something to cut this open, and we'll see what's inside. I got it cut open, and I got a little sneak peek at what it is. These are colorized quarters for Florida. Somebody reached out to me and asked if I could make a colorized coin ring for them, and really I can only make them super small, so I specified that. I also told him out of all the copper quarters I've worked with, these turned your finger green the most, and he was like, that's okay, I still want it. So I went ahead and ordered 2 of these just in case I mess up on one, and I'll be making that in another video coming up pretty soon. So that's package number 1. That's pretty cool. These are neat, huh? Look at the coloration on this. It's really nice. The trees and the sunset, the boat, and of course the spacecraft. And on the other side is just good old George Washington. There's one from each mint, Philadelphia and Denver. All right, so I'm gonna cut open this other box and we'll start taking stuff out of there. Give me just a sec. So we got it cut open. I didn't sneak a peek this time. Let's see what we've got going on here. We've got a Rollo label printer. It's a thermal printer, so it doesn't use any ink, and this is going to allow me to create shipping labels much easier, much faster. No ink. Awesome. This is a ton of keychains, which I'm going to start working on almost immediately after this video. I have a lot of keychains to work on, and these will make a lot of future keychains as well. I ordered 2 bags of these. I got a whole bunch. I'm not going to run out for a while. It's pretty scary to run out of stuff. This is a deburring tool I got. This one's supposed to be super sharp and spin very quickly. And I got to choose the color of it. If I can open it up. No. There's the blades. It comes with a bunch of replacement blades, different size blades. I think there's 2 different size ones in there. Got a nice red one. Look at that. It's gonna be a fun new tool. Yeah. Oh, it actually comes with 3 different size blades like these. And a friend of mine recommended that to me, so I'm gonna give it a try. And then this is just thermal paper for this printer over here, so I can make some labels. And this is a label holder, so this is just going to hold these labels for me. So we got one more pretty cool coin ring tool here, a super hardcore hole punch. This was also recommended to me. I keep breaking my other hole punches that I was getting from Hobby Lobby, which are basically for like really like aluminum or really soft metals. Mine are a little thicker, so this is going to help me punch some serious holes and stuff. And that's the unboxing. That's what we got today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more coin ring making content, subscribe to the channel. Check out my TikTok. I post on there quite regularly, and y'all have a great day. See you later.